Next part, it is June 15th morning, 2021. The left side and the right side frame and the top completely done. This took a lot of work, and I'm working on the bottom, which is going to be like a shelf. I'm probably going to attach a couple of cups or a base of a candlestick holder, that sort of thing, on the bottom here. All right, to be continued. Thank you to Mazel and Sippa for your beautifully melodic accompaniment to King Classic Radio 98.1 in Seattle. All right, there you have it. Good job, good job. Great studio assistance. Yes. Thank you.